This video will take you through what happens at our vaccination clinics. We use 4 steps to get you vaccinated: check-in, registration, vaccination, and post-vaccination. Your appointment should take 20 to 30 minutes. Come to your selected clinic for your appointment time. To avoid creating long lineups, please only come for your assigned time. When you arrive, security will check you against our client list. You'll need to be wearing a mask. If you don't have one, we will provide one for you. We want our clinics to be safe for everyone. We have cleaners on site who are constantly disinfecting high-touch surfaces. After passing the security check, you are asked to hand sanitize, and you'll be greeted by clinic staff who will direct you to check-in station A, where your appointment will be confirmed, and you'll also confirm that you have no COVID-19 symptoms. Next, you'll be taken to station B, where you'll be registered into the clinic by providing us with your booking information. You'll need your health card and photo ID for this. Once you've been registered, you may be directed to a waiting area or taken directly to one of our available vaccinators at station C. You'll be given a vaccine that is suitable for your age group and available at the clinic that day.
Okay, that's it. We're all done.
That's it?
Yep.
Good.
Was I good?
Good.
All right, you're all good to
You're
go.
very well organized. I'm impressed.
Oh, thank you.
Very impressed. Good for the region of people.
Once vaccinated, you'll be directed over to our post-recovery area at Station D. Here, you will book your second dose appointment and then wait for 15 minutes to make sure that you're okay. After that, you can leave the clinic through the exit door. It's a one-way flow through the clinic. Hope to see you there soon, and take care of each other. Subscribe to our channel to see our latest videos.